Make way for that bad boy. Whew. That's big. Wasn't making a whole lot of noise either. It's coming. Well, I don't hear so well. Anyway, makes for a quiet walk in here now. He's got this ruts panked down from all that weight of wood he's hauling out. So, yeah, I'll hike out a bit further before I decide to set my hammock up. It's warmer now. I had an apple, some water. And he'll be loading wood, so I'll get far enough away so I'm not listening to that clanking and banging. You know, those guys got a pretty nice job. Gets them back into some pretty private and wooded places to haul wood. Look at this dandy old stump. Look at this beauty. Yeah. Look at there, little moss. Yeah. Nature, you know. I'll tell you, it's just part of what brings me here is the honesty, you know. Just Mother Nature, there's no subterfuge here. She's beautiful and she's, you know, you see that hawk come swooping down and bam, he hits that rabbit or squirrel and fur flies and that's that. Yeah, there's no hidden agenda here. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. For those of us that seek this out, rather than city streets and busy places, we know what this is. And it's like coming home, you know. It's like home, you know you belong here. Get back into the city and traffic and you go, no, I don't belong there. Definitely don't belong there. Yeah, so we do come here as often as we can. Take back a little bit of our spirit. But sadly for a lot of us, our jobs require us to be in places, or, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. You're raving off in the distance. Okay. I see a partridge up there. Right on the edge of the road. I don't know if I can zoom in on him or not. Rough grouse. See him there? Yeah, he's just sitting there. Yeah. Yeah, we'll leave him be. Oh, it's so beautiful, all this stuff. You know, hawk or owl will take him out like nothing. He's watching me walk away. Yeah, I could go off down that grassy way. I'm going to continue on here. I want to get a little distance from that logging truck loading. Is that a raven? Right overhead. Hear the nuthatches, chickadees. Well, I'm going to go find me a place for a hammock. Take me a rest. Take care, everyone.